So welcome to our makerspace, everyone. We're just walking in the space now, and this is our main area where you would normally see maybe 9 to 10 tables. It's all working space, and above the shelves there's a lot of empty space that we use for storage. And what we do is we use the flat square boxes that I'll show you in a second, and the kids all put their projects in the boxes, and we store them on top of the shelves, and we have lots of room for that. On the one side of the shelves here, we have our cutting tools for everybody to use, the hand saws, the cardboard snips, and some wire cutters and different size hole punch for making holes in the various pieces of cardboard. Makes it a lot easier for them to do their builds. And just on top of this shelf, you can see the types of boxes that we use for storing materials. Just plain boxes from the grocery stores. They actually work really well, and they're stackable on the shelves, so they work great. On one side here we have our Lego wall that has a lot of specialty pieces, various gears and various parts for some general builds, but also for a lot of robotic builds for the different things we do here in terms of gear work and structural design with that. And on the inside here of the working area, we have one set of shelves that stores some of the materials that we use for different builds. Most of the stuff on this shelf is for quick access because they use it a lot. And back here we have our robotics table for our Lego team, and also when some of the students need to test out some of their builds. And a lot of the storage area in the back for the various pieces of Lego and the different trays, and our Spike Prime and our EV3s are back there as well. And the back table here, because of COVID, we're missing our 3D printer, and hoping to actually put in a couple of sewing machines back here, maybe next year. And we have a sample wall on the one edge here as well, where we try to fit as many different samples from different builds that we've done, over the last little while. Certainly not complete, but just a bit of a sample of the types of things that we do. And walking back through to the front, we have another storage area with shelves on the opposite side of this counter. Various pieces of cardboard and different pieces of materials that we use in builds as well. And then back to this side, we have our alligator clip storage. So they're all hanging easily on magnets for students to grab them quickly and put them back just as easily. And then a lot of our just generic Lego pieces in bins for some activities, but we also have some pieces that we use for when they're using for gear builds, that sort of thing. Some more storage area, some quick access pockets here, and a table that we use as a workspace for a lot of hot gluing, cutting, and some more storage space for parts as well. Separate containers to keep it all nicely organized. And these are the cardboard trays that we use for storing all the builds that are not quite finished yet. And just walking around the front are obviously our paper supply and various games and different STEM activities as well. So hope you enjoyed this quick tour. Thanks.